Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Apple continues to make magic products. You know they're magic because sometimes they put the word magic like on the box. This is the Magic Keyboard that I recently upgraded to and just got it today. As a matter of fact, it was on sale, a whopping $50 off, which was like almost like what was a massive savings. And so I upgraded to it because I needed one thing and one thing alone: Touch ID. I didn't realize that Touch ID was available in a wireless keyboard from Apple, but it is, even though, unfortunately, much like the new Magic Mouse that I was lamenting the other day, the keyboard itself doesn't have a dark metal option. It's a little frustrating, but I'll learn to live with it. This is the old Magic keyboard that I have been using it long enough that the A and the S keys have been wearing down. I've probably been overdue for a keyboard upgrade, and I've yet to find anything that works as well as an Apple keyboard. And I say that going back a few wireless generations. The key travel, the responsiveness. I've never found a better keyboard on a notebook or a laptop, which I do use because I have this keyboard, or my wireless keyboard's connected wirelessly to the laptop, which are connected to the screens. There's live.pirillo.com behind me. I've yet to find a better keyboard. So I'm going to say Apple did fairly well, or has done very fairly well with their Magic Keyboard series, or the keyboard series, for a number of years. Yeah, it still uses Lightning for charging, but I've yet to find anything better. Does anybody have any specific recommendations? You made a few recommendations for a Magic Mouse alternative, but what about a Magic Keyboard? I mean, it's kind of hard to beat the Touch ID built right in.